Samsung's upcoming mid-range smartphone, the Galaxy A36, has been making waves recently with a series of leaks and rumors. The latest development, a completely revamped camera design, has left fans intrigued and questioning if this is the direction Samsung's entire lineup might take in the future. Let's dive into what this new design could mean for Samsung's upcoming devices and whether we could see similar changes in the highly anticipated Galaxy S26 series. The Galaxy A36 recently surfaced online in the form of renders, courtesy of Giznex and at own leaks, giving us our first glimpse at the potential design of this next-generation mid-range phone. What stands out the most is the unified camera island, which is a significant departure from the independent camera cutouts Samsung has favored in recent years. If you're used to seeing multiple individual lenses on the back of Samsung smartphones, this new design is sure to grab your attention. Rather than the separate circular cutouts we come to expect, the A36 appears to feature a camera layout that combines all the lenses into a single island. This unified structure could streamline the phone's appearance and give it a more cohesive, polished look. But is this the design we'll see in the final version of the Galaxy A36? Or is this a creative interpretation based on limited information? Along with the revamped camera layout, the Galaxy A36's renders also showcase several familiar design elements. The phone features a flat frame and a flat display, which are staples of Samsung's recent mid-range devices. However, the lower bezel on the front of the device appears slightly thicker than what we've seen in previous models. The back panel is also flat, and the key island, where the volume and power buttons are located, appears somewhat bumpy. According to information supposedly sourced from third-party case manufacturers, the Galaxy A36 will measure 162.6 77.9 millimeters. The phone's profile without the camera bump will come in at 7.4 millimeters, while the total thickness with the camera bump increases to 9.6 millimeters. This design, while thin, still has some bulk due to the protruding camera island, but it seems to maintain a slim and sleek profile overall. Now, here's the big question. Is this design accurate? It's important to take these renders with a grain of salt, especially since they're based on third-party data and aren't officially confirmed by Samsung. While the renders are beautifully crafted, there's always the possibility that they don't perfectly reflect the final design. In fact, case manufacturers often receive early design dimensions but may miss some critical details, especially regarding the camera housing. This means that while the overall design could be correct, the specific look of the camera might still change. For instance, the render shows a pill-shaped cutout for the camera island, but it's possible that the Galaxy A36 could stick with the individual circular lenses we've seen. Even if the Galaxy A36's camera design doesn't spread across the entire Samsung lineup, it still represents a noteworthy change for the series. Samsung has always positioned the Galaxy line as a way to bring flagship-like features to a more affordable price point, and the A36 could continue this tradition with its sleek new design. But as with any leak, it's crucial to wait for more official information before jumping to conclusions. The Galaxy A36 is still in the prototype stage, and there's always a chance that the final design could differ from what we're seeing now. Stay tuned as more leaks and official details about the Galaxy A36 continue to emerge.